Hello everyone, I, Neha Singh, works at IPM College Ghaziabad. Today I am going to share a video lecture based on financial management. In this video lecture, I am going to cover some important topics in financial management such as the meaning and definition of financial management. Then we will see the functions of financial management such as investment decision, finance decision, dividend decision, then objective of financial management and its importance. So let's get started. To start the topic in financial management, I would like to first introduce the meaning of financial management. As you can see, the meaning of financial management is all about, or financial management is all about managing all the financial affairs, aspects, and activities of a firm, which means that to manage all the financial activities of an organization is known as financial management. Moving towards our next slide, which tells about the meaning. So, the meaning is the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the financial activities of an enterprise. It refers the efficient and effective management of money in such a manner so that the organization can achieve its goal. If I talk about the goals of an organization, so there are two primary goals of an organization. First one is profit maximization and second one is wealth maximization. Moving towards our next slides, which is based on the which which is based on the definitions. So I personally recommended the definition given by Gutman and Doggle. He says that financial management is the activity concerned with planning, raising, controlling, and administrating of funds used in the business. So there are various definitions given by different author, but I personally recommended this definition, which is given by Gutman and Doggle, because this definition is covers the whole meaning of financial management. So next we will see the scope and elements of financial management. Uh, Whatever the activities related to finance in an organization, a financial manager role has been increased. Why? Because he or she has to take various decisions in an organization to generate profit, such as investment decision, financial decision, and dividend decision. We will see uh, what is investment decision. So investment decision is all about taking decision of investment, like in which project a firm is to invest its capital. Suppose I have three projects, project A, project B, and project C. So in which project I have to invest to get maximum return. This decision is taken with the help of various tools and technique by the financial manager, right? Moving towards our next decision, which is financial decision. In this decision, we take decisions related to the sources of funds which a financial manager has to take. So in this, he or she has to identify the sources from maximum funds has been raised by the company. In third, dividend decision. In this decision, we will we will see how much amount of profit should be distributed among the shareholders and how much profit should be retained by the company itself for further investment. So these are the three type of decision which a financial manager has to take. for the growth and development of an enterprises. Suppose if I want to start a business, so what uh, first thing comes into my mind is about finance. लाइक मैं फाइनेंस कहाँ से अरेंज करूंगी? जब मेरे पास पैसा होगा तभी तो मैं उसको दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट्स में लगा सकती हूँ ना, तभी तो मैं उसको किसी प्रोजेक्ट में लगा सकती हूँ, और तभी मुझे उससे रिटर्न भी मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती हूँ। अनटिल एंड अनलेस अगर मेरे पास फाइनेंस ही नहीं होगा तो मैं उसको इन्वेस्ट कहाँ करूंगी? सो किस प्रोजेक्ट में कितना इन्वेस्ट करना है, कितना इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है, ये सब हम देखते हैं फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट में। और आई कैन से दैट द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ फाइनेंस और मनी इज financial management. Moving towards our next slides. So, in this flow chart, the whole meaning of financial management is covered. Like financial management. What do you mean by financial management? So, managing all the financial affairs of an organization with ease, right? By to manage the financial affairs or activities of an organization, we have to take three type of decisions such as investment decision, financing decision, and dividend decision. And to take these decisions, we have some tools and technique. With the help of these tools and technique, the decisions of these three, investment, financing, and dividends, has been taken. Such, for example, like if I talk about investment decision, so with the help of technique, capital budgeting, and working capital management, the decision has been taken. If I want to take financing decision, with the help of cost of capital, capital structure decision, and leverages, so these are the techniques and tools through which a financing decision has been taken by a financial manager. Now, third one is dividend decision. In this decision, the like how much what is dividend policy of an organization, how much part of how much part of profit is retained by the company itself for further investment. So these techniques help an organization to take dividend decision. Hope I am able to clarify or clear the overall meaning of financial management. And to take financing decision, to take investment decision, and to take dividend decision, we have certain rules, we have certain tools and techniques through which we can take these three decisions. Moving towards our next slide, which is tells about the objectives of an organization. So in this, there are certain objectives such as to ensure regular and adequate supply of funds, to ensure adequate returns to the shareholders. Like if shareholders is interested to invest, so for example, if shareholders is interested to invest in my company, so what is my responsibility? So my responsibility towards the shareholder is to provide returns timely to them, so that he or she further invest in my company. Next is to ensure optimum funds utilization, to ensure safety of investment, safety on investment. By this term, we means that to invest the amount safely in those ventures which give adequate return to the company. And last is to plan a sound capital structure. In this, we maintain a balance between debt and equity. Right. Now, to understand the objectives of financial management through this flow diagram. Here you can see that there are four objectives of financial management. First is basic objective, second is operational objective, third is social objective, and fourth is research objective. Basic objectives, in this we will we have two objectives. First is profit maximization and second one is wealth maximization. If I talk about operational objectives, so in operational objective we have timely availability of requisite finances, most effective utilization of for finances, safety of investment and growth of an enterprises, which is the ultimate aim of an organization. If I talk about social objectives, so what are the social objectives of financial management? Like to pay interest to the debenture holders timely, to pay dividend to the shareholders timely, to pay wages to the laborers timely, to pay taxes on time, fair settlement with supplies, and maintaining relations with the financiaries. Maintaining relations with the financiary means to maintain the healthy relation with the financiaries so that they will invest in your company whenever you need it. And last one is research objective. In research objectives, it means finding new and better sources of finances. Moving towards our next slide, which is based on functions of financial management. In function of financial management, first is to estimate capital requirement with capital with the with regards to capital requirements, to determine the capital composition, like short term which involves short term and long term debt equity analysis, choices of sources of funds such as shares, loans, debentures, deposits, investment of fund, like in this we decide to allocate funds into profitable ventures, disposable of surplus, like to how much dividend and dividend distributed among shareholders, and like next is management of cash and financial controls. So, functions of financial management, we will see this flow chart. And in this, like estimated required capital, determine capital structure, evaluate and select sources of funds, allocate and control of funds, distribute profit or surplus, and monitoring financial objectives activities. So these are the functions of financial management. With the help of flow chart, I hope I am clear to am I clear to to clear the functions of financial management. Moving towards our next slide, which is based on importance. So in if I talk about importance of financial management, why financial management is important for an organization to effectively utilize and allocated the fund received and acquired to assist organization in making critical financial decision. It helps to improve the profitability of an organization and to increase the overall value of the firms of an organization, to provide economic stability, to encourage employees to save money, which helps them in personal financial planning and helps organization to make plan and acquire funds from different sources such as shares, debentures. Uh, so, in this video lecture, I hope I am able to clear all the basic of financial management. If you have any doubt regarding these topics, please do let me know in the comment box. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.